Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. We're going to be removing our old sprinkler controller. As you see here, it's already installed, so we'll show you how to take that off. First thing you're going to want to do, we've got a break right here, is turn off the power to your old controller. As you can see, we've removed that power, so ours is good to go. You might have to find your own breaker. Ours had one labeled, so it's good and nice and easy to turn off. So first thing you're going to want to do, like I said, turn off the power. Then we need to take a picture of your controller itself, the wiring. So you're going to want to make sure you know which zones are going to what, as well as your common wire. So just take a picture of that and it'll show you what zones you've got where. And then you can go ahead and start removing those. Next thing you want to do is unscrew the power. As I said earlier, make sure you turn off your breaker. And you'll unscrew the power. This is why you want to have your breaker off. Luckily we had this, so it just unscrews. And you'll just pull out the wires here. Okay, keep that. So we've got the power fully disconnected. Now we just need to remove the system itself. When removing the system, you just have a couple screws here. And so once you've got these two screws out right here, or actually it's just this one screw, the top one just slides off. You just wiggle it off. Alright, there you go. Now you've got the old controller off. Thanks for watching. Have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments. As always, like and subscribe. Thanks.